Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today we want to show you guys how you can use indicator or indicators, a group of indicators to trade crypto properly, right? Probably before now you belong to one of the channels on Telegram or on WhatsApp where they actually give crypto signal. Now, most of those guys you see that give crypto signal, truth be told, most of them they use indicators, but just very few of them use price action, which is just blank charts, and they just use their plots, okay, to get those trades to you. Now, I wouldn't want this video to be very long, so I'll be going straight to the points to show you how you can use indicators to draft or to bring out profitable trade for yourself, right? Doing this, you wouldn't need the help of anybody any longer to get profitable trade for yourself, okay? So let's just get straight to the point. So first and foremost, what you need to do is to go to a particular website, poolcoin.app. It's called poolcoin.app. Sorry, it's called poolcoin.app. I will leave the link to this particular website on the description of the video. The link is called poolcoin. You can see it's called poolcoin.app. Then you click on it. When you click on it, it's going to load. Right? Let's wait for it to load. This is the site actually, but I just want you to see exactly how the process goes. So it's going to load. After loading, you're going to get an interface like this. This is the interface of Poolcoin. This Poolcoin actually trading view into this particular website, but you can as well just go directly to trading view to do this. But the only disadvantage of you doing it directly on trading view is that you might not really get access to some of the things you get on poolcoin.com. okay, so let's go to trading view. I'm going to show you something exactly as trading view is. That's what they use to build this particular website, right? Okay, so this is trading view. Let's go to the charts. So in essence, what I'm just trying to say is that you can as well use trading view, but trading view is not that rich in terms of crypto like you using this particular website I told you about, this poolcoin.app. So that's the reason why preferably I want you to use poolcoin.app, because in there you get a whole lot of features that are not available on trading view. Okay, so when you get to this website, this poolcoin.com, what you do is this. I want to assume you have a particular coin you want to trade. So what you do is this. You come in here and type in the name of the coin. You come in here and type in the name of the coin, or you get the contract address of the coin and you paste it in here. So in this case, let's just use a particular coin. Let me just type in one coin, bits. Okay, let's just go with this, but there are a whole lot of coin here. It's bits, but let's go with this first one, this bits token. So we're going to click on bits token and it's going to load. The token is going to load Poolcoin charts. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to load. So in essence, you getting this particular indicator to trade crypto by yourself. You wouldn't want to like subscribe to all those paid channels where they give you signals and you pay monthly, and some are not even very good, but yet you still have to pay, right? Okay, so this is PoolCoin.app. So after coming to PoolCoin.app and you put in the particular coin you want to buy, the next thing you do is to go down here. You can see here they say indicators here. You can see here indicators, right? Then you click on indicators. Okay, when you click on indicators, it's going to bring you here. When it brings you here, you can see that there are a whole lot of indicators here. You can see accumulation stroke distribution indicator, accumulative swing index. You can see a whole lot of indicator, awesome oscillator, average true range, balance power, Bollinger Band. There are a whole lot of indicators here. But the very one that I've been using and is very profitable for me is what I want you to see, the MA cross. So you can just type in MA crossing here in the search bar. MA crossing, okay, this particular one, this MA crossing, you can see it here, or you can just search for it. If you don't want to type it, you just go down, search for MA crossing. This is it, MA crossing. So what you do is you just click on it. Just click on it. So you can see this is the indicator, MA crossing. This is the indicator. So what this indicator does is this. Let's put the timer to 1 hour. Let's put the timer to 1 hour. As you can see, this is 1 hour timer, 1 hour time frame. So as soon as the 2 MA crosses, you can see the 2 MA crosses here, and there's this plus sign. You see that when you take your trade from this particular side, it keeps coming down until this other cross, right? You can decide to take your profit somewhere here. You can see here where my mouse is. You can take your profit here. Now let's go down again. You see the cross comes here again, and the 2 MA, the moving averages, they cross here again. You can see that the trade keeps going down, and there is space. If you take a closer look, you see that there is space between this orange color moving average and the green moving average. You can see there is space in between them. So as the space opens up, it means that the trade is still going to go far down. Okay, so you can see that the trade keeps going down to this particular place, and you see another cross here. Okay, you can see this cross here between the orange moving average and the green moving average, and you can see that the trade started going up. Then let me show you something to tell you that people are actually using this thing, and as soon as this cross happens, people start buying. Let me show you now. You can see, you come down here, you can see these are people buying. These are people buying. You can see just few people selling. As soon as this thing crosses here, you can see, as soon as it crosses here, you can see that the trade start going up. You can see bits start going up, seriously going up. And you can see the green moving average and the orange moving average coming behind the candlesticks. You can see this here, okay? And that's the reason why you see people are buying. You can see more people are buying. That goes to tell you that the trade will keep going further up. Okay, so imagine you bought from this particular crossing here, which is this plus sign here. You must have made a whole lot of profit going up, down from here, right? Let's go back and let's see how this thing works. You see, each time it crosses, each time the trade goes in that direction, it crosses here. You can see the trade coming down, right? So that's exactly how it works, and that is the best indicator for you to use if you want to trade crypto with indicator. This one is very straightforward. Mostly I use the 1 hour time frame. This time frame, you can see is 1 hour time frame here. This is 1 hour time frame, but even if you go to 4 hours time frame, it's still the same thing. Let's check the 4 hours time frame. You can see. You can also see the 4 hours time frame. You can see this is the 4 hour time frame, but for you to get it accurately, it's better you use the 1 hour time frame. It's more accurate when you use the 1 hour time frame, so I will advise you to stick with the 1 hour time frame. That is what I use, and so far it's been very profitable. Like I promised earlier from the beginning of the video, I wouldn't want to make the video to be very long. You can see the trade still keeps going right from the time the moving average crossed here and the plus sign came up here. the trade still keeps going, right? So I wouldn't want to make the video so long. The recap of what I actually just said is for you to go to this particular website, bookcoin.app, right? When you get to bookcoin.app, the interface opens. You put in the name of the token you want to buy, or let's just say Wakanda. You click on Wakanda Inu. Okay, Wakanda Inu. This is Wakanda Inu, right? Or if you have the contract address, you just come in here and paste the contract address in this search bar here. Okay, let's check Wakanda Inu and see. I'm just taking a recap of what I actually said earlier. That's just get to the website, then you paste the contract address or the name of the coin you want to buy here, right? Then you come down to indicator, you click on indicator, you check MA. That is moving average crossing. Moving average crossing, you click on it, right? Then it's going to put the indicator automatically on the chart for you. Like as you can rightly see here, it's going to put the indicator automatically on the chart for you. You see when the moving average crossed here and the plus sign came up, you can see the trade has been coming down, down. See, so presently on this Wakanda Inu, it's not even advisable to buy it because averages, they've not crossed yet and the sign plus has not come up yet. So when you find yourself in this kind of situation, what to do is this: you just wait for the moving averages to cross and the plus sign comes up, then you buy. Then that shows you that the trade is about to start going up automatically. Okay, if you got value from this video, I would just want to ask you to subscribe to the channel. Okay, like the video so that so many other people will get to see it, and also remember to share and click that bell icon so that when next I post another valuable video, you get to be the first to see it. Okay, I really appreciate your subscription. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.